Hello everyone, welcome back to another sharing video. In this video, I will answer a question from one of my students. You asked how to create the inner seam on this waist section. This is a 360-degree skirt. And when you create the seam, it only appears on the outside. On the inside, there is no seam. Because, you see, if there is no opening on the inside here, then it's impossible to create a seam, everyone. And right here, you created this perfect circle by using the specific method for making a full 360-degree skirt, which I have already shown you in detail, and that method naturally creates an opening. But unfortunately, this opening is just a bit too small, so when you go to make a 1 centimeter seam, it simply can't fit inside here properly. So now you need to make that opening about 2 centimeters wide, and this is exactly where the opening should be. If you want to have a 1 centimeter seam, then this opening needs to be 2 centimeters wide. Because the seam allowance already takes up 1 centimeter on each side, so when they meet, it has to be at least 2 centimeters. So you'll use this ruler and set it to about 2 centimeters here, so it will cover this area. That's it. After that, this spot here, according to the method I showed you for making the 360-degree skirt, this spot right here is exactly where the opening is. You will lift it up here and also down here. You will lift it up here. Here, it's on this side here, I will lift and move it up here. Here, on this side. That's it. So when you follow this specific process, it will form a small gap or opening, and this opening will allow the seam to be tucked neatly inside. At this spot, it's not quite 2 centimeters yet. Here, we will make it a little over 2 centimeters. There, then it will be able to go inside here. Can you see it? That's right, the seam will go inside here, and this seam will be 1 centimeter. And right here, where these two seams meet, this spot is basically at 0. See, it's at 0, okay? Currently, it is set at 0. So for those specific details where you need a seam inside this part, you will need to manually create a gap or a groove so there will be a clear path for the seam. If you do not do this, you won't be able to create a seam there at all. Here, I'm doing this to help him, and then I'll send it to him right away. Okay, I'll save it and send it to him. Hello everyone. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye everyone.